How's it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. So the AirPods are now the most popular wireless earphones or earbuds on the planet. And that's no surprise because they're just absolutely amazing. They are so good. And if you're watching this video, I believe you have AirPods and I'm pretty sure you love them as well, just like I do. But not everyone actually takes full advantage of AirPods. They have so many things, so many hidden tips, tricks, and hidden features that I'm pretty sure you don't know all of them. So in this video, I'm gonna try to teach you at least one new thing, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do it. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay guys, so let's begin because I have quite a lot of tips, tricks, and hidden features regarding your AirPods. Keep in mind that everything I'm going to show here works with any version of the AirPods, AirPods 1, 2, or the AirPods Pro. Okay, so this is very important. Alright, so regardless of the AirPod version you have, you're fine with this video. So I have quite a lot of tips and tricks and hidden features. So I have some more basic ones and some more advanced, but they're not in order. So then make sure to watch the whole video to get everything. So the first one I'm going to show you is, let's say you lost your AirPods. Maybe the case, maybe you were wearing just one or maybe two. It doesn't matter. With this tip, I'm going to show you how you can locate your AirPods using Find My, the Find My application that we already use to find your iPhone, your iPad, your MacBook, or whatever. So just go to Find My app. Alright, and as you can see here, I already have it here on Daniel's AirPods. My last location was yesterday because it is the last time I used them. Okay, so it's gonna be automatically updated to based on the last time you used them. And then you can obviously see it on the map, you can get directions, and you can play sound. If you play sound, just make sure that you don't have them in your ears because the sound is quite loud. After that, I'm gonna show you how you can use this as a hearing aid. Okay, keep in mind that the idea of this is this tip is to help you hear your surroundings a little bit better, but of course you can use this as a spy tool. This is actually very cool. Let me show you how you can do that. So you're gonna need your iPhone, so go to settings and then go back to your first screen, of course, and then you're gonna go to Control Center and then customize controls, and then at the bottom you're gonna see here hearing. As you guys can see, this little blue icon right there, add it. Okay, so now we're gonna have it on your control center, and then you're pretty much good to go. And then you're gonna pull down to your control center, and then you're gonna see right here the icon to the hearing feature. How does that work? It's very easy. So make sure your AirPods are connected, and then you are actually wearing them because otherwise it won't work. So I'm just gonna put them in my ears. As you can see here, just because I actually connected my AirPods and put them in my ears, you see that Find My, it says it got me a message, your AirPods have been found nearby. So as I said, every time you connect your AirPods to any device connected to the internet, is going to automatically update the location. Okay, so this is very cool. But let's keep going to the hearing. Okay, so my AirPods are connected, as you guys can see right there, and then because of the blue little icon right there, so I can press the hearing. So as you guys can see, you're seeing here Daniel's AirPod and then my battery, and then it's saying live listen off. So just tap on it and wait a second, and it's gonna say live listen on. And the way it works is pretty simple. It is not going to amplify the volume from the microphones on your AirPods, so on the AirPods themselves. It doesn't work like that. It's actually gonna amplify all the sound coming from your iPhone. So your iPhone is gonna have the microphone on. As you guys can see, there you have it. So the indication that the microphone is on, that it is recording, it is not recording, but the microphone is on. And as you guys can see, I can leave my iPhone behind, I can leave it face down, I can lock the screen, I can do whatever I want with it, and then I'm still having that amplified thing in my ears. It is too bad I can't show you because if I remove my AirPods from my ears, you guys will see that hearing turns off automatically. It has to be in my ears all the time in order for it to work. But it's super cool. Like, I'm not responsible for this, of course, but then the idea is you could have your iPhone, for example, locked as it is right now. I'm still getting the amplified on my AirPods. Leave your iPhone in another room, for example, and then leave that room, and then you can still listen to a conversation that some people are having. This is absolutely insane. This is really a spy tool, and I had to show you because it's super cool, but again, watch it, okay? You gotta be careful on how you use that. So enough with hearing aid, let's keep going. Now, something that a lot of people don't know is how you can check the battery on your AirPods or on the case itself, actually, if you're using an iPhone. And it's actually very easy. If you go to your widgets right there, you're gonna see batteries and you're gonna see Daniel's AirPods. It's super cool, so I can see the percentage of the battery of my AirPods. But you have to enable this. If you don't enable this, is not gonna be here. So how do we do that? It's actually very simple. You can go to edit. So on your first screen, as you guys just saw, just slide to the right and then you scroll all the way down, hit edit at the bottom, and then you're gonna see batteries right there. If batteries isn't there, it's because it has never been added. So it's gonna be right here in your more widget. So you're gonna look for it. So batteries, you add it, and then you probably want to do that, so you're gonna put it at the top. So then after it's in first place, I think it's more convenient. You can hit done, and then you're gonna see batteries right there. So then you're gonna see the battery here of your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and of course your AirPods. But what about the case? How can you check the battery on the case? This also works, but you have to have the AirPods inside the case. So let me show you. So if you have both your AirPods in the case, you can just close the lid, and then you're gonna see that the battery percentage is gonna be shown right here. So I have 73% on the AirPods case. I have 83 on the AirPods because they are charging. So then, as you can see, there's a charging icon, and I don't have to have the AirPods, the case open or anything like that. I can leave it closed. I can leave it in another room. I can leave the AirPods case charging, and then I can always check the percentage right here, even though I may be away from the case or away from my AirPods. It's the best way to manage your battery percentages on your iPhone, and it is super easy. Now, most people do know this. Most people know that the AirPods have this touch sensitivity sensor right here, so then you can double tap and then enable a whole bunch of features. But not everyone knows that you can customize that, and to do that, you go to your settings, and then let's go back to our first screen, and then let's go to Bluetooth right there, and then you're gonna see Daniel's AirPods. Click on the little, tap on the little eye icon, and then you're gonna see left and right, and you can actually customize what the double tap will do. So for example, I like to keep my right to next track, so then I can always get the next track, and I like to keep my left in, I don't know, like play pause. I know that you can remove your AirPods and it will automatically play and pause, but sometimes I don't want to actually remove my AirPods, so I do that. And I don't like Siri, so then I don't use it very much. So then that's how you do it. You can customize your double tap on AirPod. Now, something that is really important is how to reset your AirPods. So maybe they're not connecting, you open it up, like you press the back button, you do anything, or maybe one side that is not charging, or one side there's no sound coming out of one of the AirPods, just one is coming sound, the other is not. So a lot of problems happen with AirPods, and it's super common. And I have a video specifically on this, on how to reset your AirPods and pretty much fix any problems you may have. So click on the card right there if you want to see this video, or on the first link in the description. So I'm going to show you how to reset your AirPods and fix any problems. So if you have AirPods, there's a big chance you also have an Apple Watch. And how do you actually connect your AirPods directly to your Apple Watch to listen to music that is right here? So you can listen offline without needing your iPhone. You want to listen to the music stored in the local memory of your AirPods, like you are on a run or anything like that. So it's actually very easy. You just open the music app, and then you hit and then you select a song, a playlist, or an album that is inside your Apple Watch. Okay, so you select it, hit play, and then as you guys can see, you're gonna have the AirPlay icon right there. You can just tap on that and then select your AirPods. If they have been previously connected to your iPhone, they will automatically be connected to your AirPods as well. So then you can just hit play, and they're gonna feed directly to your AirPods, so you don't need your iPhone or anything like that. And last but not least, the whole idea of AirPods is being 100% wireless, like hands-free. So why not have your iPhone announce your phone calls? So then if you're, again, jogging, running, working out, you actually don't need to pull your phone out of your pocket to see who's phoning you. Actually, it's very easy. You can go to settings, and then you can scroll down a little bit and go to phone. And then, as you guys can see, there is announce calls, and then I can tap on that, and then it's gonna say never, like mine is, or headphones only, headphones in car, and always. So if you hit headphones only, anytime you have your AirPods connected to your phone, and then somebody phones you, somebody calls you, is gonna actually announce, like Siri is gonna say, like there's an incoming phone call from that person, or is going to read out the number. So then you can decide to listen, to hang up, or whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. In this video, just wanted to show you the best tips, tricks, and hidden features regarding AirPods, because as you know, there's a lot here, and not everyone takes full advantage of the AirPods. And then I just wanted to make sure everybody did. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in a couple days, guys. Bye bye.